Good day to everyone. Again, my name is Jeff Gleison Pipasilan, an ACE student of IMOS Computer College, under the supervision of Professor Henry Aquino, Computer System Architecture 1. Today, I'm going to show you the system component of motherboards of Dell Optiplex 9020 ATX motherboard. And this is the motherboard. First component is the 4-pin power connector. Next is the CPU fan connector. And next, this is the memory slot where we will put the memory of the CPU. And next, this is the power switch connector. And then, this is the 8-pin power connector where the motherboard connected to the power supply. Next is the SATA connector. There are 4 parts of SATA connector for this motherboard. This is the one, SATA 0, SATA 1, SATA 2, and SATA 3. Next component is the HDD ODD power connector where the hard drive, optical drive connected to the power supply to the motherboard. Next is the front panel connector. Near from them is the blue one is the front USB 3.0 connector. And then near for it is the password jumper. This is the one. And then near from front panel connector, this is the front panel audio connector. And then near from them is the white one is what we call the internal speaker connector. Next, these are the expansion slot. This blue one is what we call the PCI Express x16 slot. This is used mostly for graphic cards. And next, this is the PCI Express x1. This is usually connected for connecting sound and network card. Under for it, the white one is what we call PCI slot. And then, the black one is also a PCI Express x16 slot. And also, this is what we call the connector for coin cell battery. And then, this one is what we call the connected for the intruder for intrusion switch connector. And then this is the CPU where we will call on the motherboard connector with what we call processor socket. Aside from all these components for the motherboard, there is also built-in ports on the motherboard. This is the one. These two are the DP ports. And then these ports are what we call the PS2 ports, where we will connected the mouse and keyboard. And this is the LAN ports, where we will connected the LAN card, where we will connected the network cable. And then this is all the USB ports. And then this is the serial ports, BGA ports for the display, and then This is for the audio ports. And that's it. This is the system component motherboards of 9020 Dell Optiplex system component boards. Thank you and have a good day.